as we welcome Mr. Francisco and Mrs. Lilia Grace Soberano! Now let's meet the parents of our bride. Let's give it up for Mr. Wanan and Mrs. Benji Benniano! My Steffi! Come on! My boys ay palakpakan naman the parents of our couple! At this very moment of time, let's meet our house. Let's all welcome Gian and Dayan! Grabe si Gian! Nakakagulat! And Carla! Mga palaman! Yes! Olis and Mark and Leslie! Ay, wow! Party mode! And touch this out! Whoa! And of course, let's not forget our team, Bridesmaids, all girls in one entrance. Let's meet Melrose, Christine, Maureen, Eunice, Debbie, Mary, Renella, Darlene, Marielle, and Lee Rose! I know! Wow! Wow! Come on, girls! Yes! Wow! Yeah! Yes! Wala pa mga ginawan dyan! Kabog na mga sis ko. Grabe! Ang galing! Now let's have Harriet, Giancarlo, John Robert, Kevin, Joe Aribon, Sean Michael, John Paul, John Christian, CB Jordan, Kenneth, and Jeremy! Eto na! Ipakita niyo na ang Choco Hotdog nyo! Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba? Wow! Wala ba mga palakpakan dyan? Grabe, gosh. Let's meet our best man, our maid of honor. Let's give it up for Benedict John and Crystal Kay! Ladies and gentlemen, our entourage! Ito na, in order to introduce to you the highlight of the night. May I request everybody to please stand up. Tayo po tayong lahat. Hawakan po natin ang ating mga table napkins. And as our couple will enter the place, all together, let's roll it around our heads with a loud scream. Paikuti po natin ang ating mga table napkins na may malakas na hiyawan as we welcome our couple. And tonight, turn it on. Ladies and gentlemen, the highlight of the night. Play it for me, DJ. It's my honor to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Soberano Spiriano! entourage.